AfriRoast Coffee Roasters, masters in the art of coffee bean roasting. The roastery, aptly located in South Africa's tradition-rich Boland region, is a creative space where the know-how, dedication and zeal of our roasters go hand in hand with modern-day roasting precision, together with the unwavering traditional values of the art of coffee roasting. We source the finest coffee beans from coffee-producing regions worldwide. Our roots, however, are in Africa. This is where we started, and this is where our inspiration to be outstanding in the art of coffee roasting will always come from. We roast our own range of distinctive blends, specifically crafted to satisfy the preferred taste and discerning South African coffee lovers. At the same time, we offer our customers exclusivity and individuality. We are geared to roast according to your specific roast and blend preferences based upon your personalized roast profiles that we create for you. This gives you the opportunity to invest in and develop your own exclusive and individual coffee brand. Our advanced roasting processes are linked to automated roast profiles. This maintains roast and consistency and ensures uncompromising quality in each batch of coffee beans that we produce. Yet, according to the coffee roaster's personal perfection while overseeing the roasting process. The strong emphasis that we place on the quality and taste of our coffee beans is in line with the requirements that baristas have to be able to prepare to perfection the coffee that they serve. We supply the product in customized packaging in accordance with customers' brand requirements, and we have a tailored distribution service to deliver to your doorstep. If you are looking for an accomplished, flexible and agile partner in your coffee supply chain, knock on our door. Although we'll never rush it when it comes to the art of coffee and the roasting of beans, this certainly changes when it comes to innovation and our service. AfriRoast Coffee Roasters' own proprietary blends specifically made to satisfy the preferred taste of discerning South African coffee lovers. These beans are formulated from grade AA 100% Arabica beans from Africa's recognized coffee producing regions. Our favorite signature blend can be described as big and bold in flavor, yet smooth on the finish. This blend satisfies the wide range of coffee tastes from lighter roast to dark roast, and it works equally well as an espresso or with milk-based drinks such as cappuccinos. Visit our website for more information and see 10 good reasons to partner with us. And remember, a cup of coffee shared with a friend is happiness tasting.